with Elves and Angels. I'm here to do hopefully a short video on our new bunk beds. I've never assembled one of these yet, but we're very pleased with this product. We used to make bunk beds almost 30 years ago when our business started in Scarborough in 1988. We haven't had them for a long time, so we're glad to bring them back, and we're very pleased with this set and also the mattresses and pad and pillow that come that you can get with you. Anyways, I'll get started here. You don't want to listen to me all day. Okay, we're going to start by showing you something to do with the ends. There's two different sizes of ends. Actually, all the pieces are just about the same, but you'll see that two of them there'll be this distance between the bottom and this groove, and then this one here is smaller. This is the one that we're going to put on first, and this will be the one that we put on second, and I'll show you that right now. So I have this, the ones with the shortest distance between the bottom and the bottom of this groove first. They're going to go onto the rails first, onto the posts, excuse me. The posts are here. You have left and right sides, like this. Like if you're facing, if you have these facing one another like this, two will have the groove out here, two will have the groove out here when these are put together like this. So that's okay. So let's get started on this. I'm going to take this piece here, and we want to make sure we get this even with the bottom. So that end piece wants to be even with the bottom. Put in a screw, and then we're going to put on the other post. Again, even with the bottom, goes into the track like this. And this. Then I'm going to take our spacers, put them in here like this. Again, in the track, we put everything that we make. Push down, close up that joint, and then you're going to take, unscrew again, just hang on to that, the spacer piece while you're screwing, so you don't just push it out. Again, like this. Unscrew. Now our other piece here, you can see the groove. Groove goes in, obviously. And then we're going to put it in the tracks like this. We'll slide it down like that. And unscrew, flip it over. Push down now on this. Close up the joint here. I'm going to take a top in the grooves again. Everything with Elves and Angels is groove, groove, groove. This. I've already assembled the other end of this, so in a minute here we'll be able to move right on. So, get your end complete. I did this one for us. Excuse me. That's what it looks like. Cool. Now we're going to do the rest. Lay this down. These are your rails, and there's a groove at the bottom of the rail. There's a groove here in the ends of the bunk beds. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to put on this. We want the groove on the rail to line up exactly with the groove on the end, and then install the screw. Same thing up here. The two grooves line up because we're going to slide our back right in, and it'll lock from the sides into the end as soon as we get it. So just take your time, get that lined up properly there. Then we're going to do the same thing over here. Yes. Again, lining it up correctly. Unscrew. one up here. Oops. Okay, now we're going to slide in the bottoms. Elves and Angels logo. I figure it probably goes down. Just take it, put it in this little groove here like this. And you'll hear when it locks into the end. And then there's this one here. Bottom one. Bottom one. Again. And you'll notice that these are a little long here. It's supposed to be like that because it's going to lock into the other end, so it'll create a thing where we've locked the sides into the ends. So we'll do that right now. Again, there's our grooves. We'll go like this. Just drop it down over the edges until there goes that locked in there. And then we'll move it up this way. That just locked in there. You heard it lock in. So now we're just going to do our 4 other screws here. So it's all in together there. We're just simply going to put in the screws that hold the rails onto the post. Whoops, I just pulled that off. Too smart. Alright, put it back up into there. Yeah, push it over there. Okay, now, here. And we'll put this screw in. Okay. And we'll hold it together. Flip it over here. This. We'll make sure our bottom is in tight. This. Make sure those grooves are in there and then it's in all the way. Snug it together like that. And then we've got our other screws that hold the rails onto the ends. Put that screw in. And see if I've got a ball here. Put Norah there. Again, make sure you're in tight. And we'll just go like this. This in here. This. That's about it. Those smaller screws on the inside, they're really not meant to be plugged there. The ones that hold the rails on. So the last thing that you have to do is simply put the plugs in. These are 3/8 inch plugs. These are 3/8 inch holes. Sometimes due to humidity or whatever, they're either going to shrink or swell. Sometimes they'll just drop right in. Other times you'll just have to line it up and give it a tap with a hammer. First of all though, use either Elmer's glue or school glue. Take the bottle, take a dab on the edge enough to grab onto it, and then simply put the plug in there like that and give it a tap just so that it connects with the glue and then stays there. I'll take that one out right now. I guess that's about it for our bunk beds. As with all Elves and Angels products, they come with 100% lifetime guarantee. If you ever have a problem with this product, if you ever notice a problem with the product when you get it, please contact us. We always want to know if there's any problem whatsoever, so we can take care of it for you. We make a very high quality product that's backed up by 30 years worth of being in business. So please let us know. And thank you for buying Elves and Angels for almost 30 years.